and this is a demo of Agami's data agent. Agami's data agent allows you to query your database with zero setup required and zero SQL knowledge required. This particular demo is for a university's incident management system. So let me start by asking a very simple question and allow you to see what happens behind the scenes. So we'll start by asking how many incidents are in the system, and you can see as Agami's data agent takes the question, extracts the relevant context, the entities, the metrics, and the time period required, and figures out what is the right SQL to generate, and what's also the right visualization for this type of a query. Now, this is a pretty straightforward query that only hit one single table. So let's start by firing a little more complex query. Now, in this case, our agent hit a cache, which means that this query had been run before, so it knew exactly what needs to be done. And in this case, it came back with a bar chart and comparing the closed and open count. We can again go back and look at the SQL and see how it did that. Now, continuing with a little more complex query, we will ask a trend question, which should return a line graph and for the last 15 months. As the queries come back with the results, we also show you the actual data table and some insights that the AI was able to generate, which can be quickly copy pasted into your chat window or into your documents. Okay, so here are the results. You can see that it came back with the results for the last 15 months and with the data and line chart. And again, showing you the actual SQL that was generated. And you can see in this case, this was a pretty complex SQL requiring two different tables joined together. Now from here on, the user has a few different options and features they can use. They can take this query and they can save it to the data, to their dashboard. This is a personalized dashboard just for them and allows them to save the exact results they want to see without needing a BI team or data team to build a dashboard for them. They can create any number of dashboards which they can keep coming back to. Let the dashboard load for the first time and you can see all the insights that they have shared and saved in past. Now they can also take these results and they can download it as a CSV or create an Excel out of it. So let me do that and show you how it works. So we can see within seconds these insights were saved into an Excel file. The user also can provide feedback on the response to say whether it was a good response or a bad response, which allows us to keep improving our systems. So that's the demo of Agami's data agent. Thank you so much for your time.